Utilizing sends on faders on your Wing console is a great way to speed up your workflow. This video is going to show you what sends on faders is and teach you how to use sends on faders. You use the layer buttons to choose the fader layer like normal. That brings up the channels in front of you that you'll be working with. What you need to think differently about when in sends on fader mode are the faders. They no longer control the channel level, but instead control the selected bus send on that channel. On the Wing Compact, you just need to select the bus mode and then the bus that you want to adjust, and you will be already in sends on faders mode. The fader's now controlling that bus send on each channel. The full-size Wing is a bit different in that you have to press the sends on faders button first, and then select the bus that you want to control. I have a mic in channel 1 already, but I'll also connect a mic to channel 8 to help demonstrate some things. Bus 1 is set up as monitor mix 1. On the Compact, if I want to adjust the mix of monitor 1, I choose bus mode here, and then I choose bus 1, which is our monitor mix 1. And now I'm automatically in sends on faders mode. The channels are all in the same place, but the faders are now controlling bus send 1 on whatever channel I adjust. For example, if I want to add channel 1 to monitor mix 1, I do it like this. The send is what is muted or turned off, so we want to unmute it. Into mix 1, mic 1 into mix 1, mic 1 into mix 1. And now, if I want to add channel 8 to monitor mix 1, I do this. Into mix 1, mic channel 8 into mix 1, mic channel 8. If you then want to add channels to monitor mix 2, you'd choose bus 2 in the master section. Now all the channels are the same, but the faders are bus 2 sends for each channel. Use your layer buttons to change the fader layers to access the next set of channels that you want to adjust. Everything will remain in sends on faders mode until you select main. Or press the bus button again to deselect it. The full-size Wing. On the full-size Wing, press the bus master button here. Then engage the sends on faders button. Then select the bus that you want to adjust, like monitor mix 1. Everything else is then the same as we just discussed for the Compact. If we come to channel 1, the fader is now controlling monitor mix 1 on this channel. Unmute the send, adjust it for channel 1 level into monitor mix 1, and then onto another channel that you want to adjust. When you're ready, switch to the next bus that you want to adjust. When you're done, don't forget to disengage the sends on faders button. For both consoles, you can see that you're in sends on faders mode by looking at the Scribble Strips. They now have additional info. Let's take a quick look at Wing Edit. Wing Edit works mainly the same way as the Compact. Selecting a master bus button automatically puts you in sends on faders mode. Selecting main or pressing the bus button again gets you out of sends on faders. You can use sends on faders for your effects as well. I'll demonstrate by using plate reverb for channel 8. Just remember that the effects buses are normally post-fader, so your channel will need to be up in the house before you can add effects to it. Bringing the fader up in the house. The fader is now up in the house. Now we need to select bus, and our reverb that we want, the plate, is in 14. Now we need to unmute it in 14, now that we're on Sends on Faders. And now that this is bus 14 on channel 8, as I turn this up, we should hear the reverb come into it. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, reverb, 1, 2, hello, hey, 1, 2, reverb. And we can adjust it here. I'll upload this to the Patreon scene tier. Affiliate links are in the text below. Comments, questions, and likes and subscribes always appreciated. Here are some other videos to check out, and I will see you later.